Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the fan coil. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 1 small L bar, 2 small bar, 1 medium plate, 1 60T gear, 1 DC motor, DPDT switch and connecting cable. So let us do the assembly now. At first, we will attach 2 small C bar to the medium plate. So take the small C bar here and the medium plate and attach it to the small C bar in this way such that the first column of the medium plate is attached to the small C bar and the first hole of this medium plate is connected to the third hole of the small C bar in this way and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Insert the bolt and fix it using nut. Similarly, connect the other C bar in the same way. Now we will attach 1 small L bar on the medium plate in this way, right at the center, and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. So we have connected the small L bar to the medium plate and now we will attach a motor to this small L bar. So for that, first of all, let us remove the screws of the motor. Insert the shaft of the motor through the first hole of the small L bar. In this way and fix the motor using the screws. So after connecting the DC motor, now we have to attach this 60T gear to the shaft of this motor, but before that we will attach this 2 small bar to this 60T gear. Take the small bar, place it in this way such that the holes of the gear and the holes of the small bar aligns. Leave 2 holes of the small bar and then attach it to the gear. In this way and fix the small bar now. We have attached the small bar, now we will attach the other one. The alignment of the hole of the small bar and the gear should be done properly. Once the alignment is done, then insert the bolt and fix it using the nuts. So we have attached the small bar to the gear. Now take a spacer, insert it through the shaft of the motor. Now insert the gear through the shaft of the motor. And after that, fix the gear using an axle. The assembly of the fan box is completed. Now we will connect the motor to the DPDT switch box using the connecting cable. Connect the motor to any one of the cable. Now we will check the output. So here if you see, when I press the button, it's rotating clockwise, and then pressing the backward button, it is rotating anti-clockwise. Thank you.